fine physically, just emotionally. I'm a little bit drained.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Where's Blue?
I'll get him. Some days I have a plan about what I want to do for the day, and other days I don't. I have somewhat of a plan for today. I want to plant a tree, but usually as the day goes on, like something will come up that'll motivate me. You know, I'll walk by something, oh, that needs work, but like sometimes when I don't know what to do, I'll just go lay down for a bit and like relax, and just something comes to mind. And you know, if I get excited about it while I'm thinking about it, it's much easier to go out and do it. I feel real bad for Paulina. It's her like 24th day working straight, and they've been long days. Like she has a long commute to and from the zip line. I mean, it's like she leaves today. She's leaving at 9, but a lot of days she'll leave at like 6 in the morning and get home at like 7 at night. Today she's got a meeting, so she left at 9. She'll be back at like 9 or 10 almost, maybe. So it'd be nice once she gets some time off. We can go do some fun things, but for now, I'm just working here and other people's properties, and she's working at the zip line, just saving up a lot of money so that we could do something fun. Just checking to see if they're good, because you never know how long they've been sitting on the ground out there, unless you go pick them every day, but I usually don't. So here's a pretty good example about just getting suddenly motivated by something. I was just gonna pull up a few taro to cook and have something to eat, and then I noticed that they're starting to get rotten. They've been in there way too long. So I'm just gonna clean out the whole thing, remulch it, and then wait a little bit and probably plant some more taro. It's cool when you just like suddenly get motivated to do something, and then like it doesn't seem like such a chore. When I make poi, I usually make a lot. That way I can save it for the next day, and it doesn't need a refrigerator. You just like can leave it out. It naturally ferments, so it'll be a little bit different tasting the next day, but I think that's kind of cool. Like you get one taste right after you make it, and then the next day it tastes a little sour, and then the next day more sour. It usually only lasts about 2 days though before I finish it. So yeah, we really didn't do much today, mainly because it's tough to film and do work. It'd be nice to have somebody else here filming me, but it's just me and Blue doesn't know how to film, so I have to do it all myself. There's days where I just work all day and get a lot done, And some days I just get a little bit done, but the key is to stay consistent for me, you know, like just do a little bit each day, and before you know it, your dreams are coming true. You got a food forest where you going through and picking stuff. We got those lychees. It's just amazing to go over there and pick lychees from our own tree. Got tons of bananas, which I'm going to be bringing with me when I go ride bikes tonight. I got a bunch. It's nice to be able to share the food too. I'm going to be giving some away to my friends that I'm going to ride bikes with. Even going to bring them a little bit of poi if they want to try it. That's going to be it. Probably wash up a little bit, take a nap, and then head out. So thanks for watching. See ya.